Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel Canva subscription. First of all, you need to log in into your account, and once you logged in, you need to tap on your this setting icon, like account setting icon, and once you select your account setting icon, you need to visit on this page. Like this kind of information you will get, and there is information like billings and plans. Okay, you need to select billing and plan option, and then you will see there is a Canva Pro trial subscription or subscription details. You need to click on these three lines, and once you click on these three lines, you will see these kind of options like cancel trial, cancel subscription and all. So you can cancel your subscription by using this way on their official website. And if you have taken your subscription on iOS, so in this case what you have to do, you need to open your iPhone settings and you need to tap on your Apple ID. You need to select subscription. Now you need to select Canva Pro app, and then you can follow the prompts and you can cancel your subscription. Okay, so by using these ways you can easily cancel your Canva Pro subscription. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.